and you still all good.
You the man. You the man.
What?
You the man.
I'm about to deep
Like my
My boy Easy over there with that
that's jive, dog. That's jive.
You the
It shouldn't be no double standard.
Right, right.
I mean,
You fish grease, dog.
Why is she a hoe
You
or
fish
a
grease.
lie? And then
After that,
you
after
something
all of
else?
that, you fish grease.
so no.
Yeah, show
Got to
enough.
throw it out after you
Throw it out.
one time. Got to
Throw it out.
Well, I'm just
Throw it
keeping it 1,000. You know what I'm saying? I'm a stand on it too.
I feel you. I feel you. I'm with you.
I mean, dog. Come on,
I'm
man.
with
Keep
you.
it. Come on, man. For
I'm
real.
with you.
That's part of the problem. Why won't carry these relationships? In real talk, because of the way these dudes been acting, that's why sisters turning to sisters. Oh, I said it. I said it.
Word.
I said it.
And a girl.
Yeah, girl, you go.
Hey, but
And left your ass out.
You know what's so
He
good
left you
about
out of
this?
it. Hey, look,
Sometimes,
and check this out. No, here's a setup too. You know, dudes should think, oh man, I'm having a menage of 3. You know what I'm saying? You know, you didn't. Yeah, you know, I got 2 girls. Then, you know, you thinking it's all good a couple times. Then next thing you know, hey baby, let's have where your friend at or whatever girl. Oh no, I don't talk to her no more. We ain't talking. Yes, yeah. They been getting together a lot without you. Cause they found out they don't need you no more. Oh, you thought it was all good. No, you just got set up, partner. Now she going with the girl, looking they straight. They having their life together. You should be crying, talking about, girl, you know I love you. No matter what you do. Yeah. Right. Hey, better wake up, keep it 1,000.
Sad state of affairs.
What's up,
One
man?
of the pitfalls, but I agree with what the young lady was saying about the guy wanting multiple women. Because I think it teaches valuable skills like sharing and how to, share. You don't be so greedy with just one woman. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Spread the love.
But I don't know if it should be even. If the girl can have other men as well. I don't know.
That's
That's
the
open
same
up a
way
whole
it messes
no-
with
a whole
y'all
nother
ego.
box
It
of
messes
worms,
with
yeah. I
ours
don't
too.
know.
I mean,
That's
I'm
the
just
same
saying. Come
thing
on, it
that-
messes with y'all ego if we got
Oh, big
multiple
time.
men. So how are we supposed to feel if it's? I mean, listen. As long as it's open, as long as y'all agree, whatever y'all got, y'all do. Just be honest, like you said. Be honest.
Okay, let me say this now. There are certain very well known Hollywood couples. I ain't gonna say no names.